Copper Creek is one of the most pristine watersheds in the Clint system, and we're working on the buffers, the shorelines, to plant trees and other vegetation to keep this watershed as pristine as we've been working with our partners, U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service, Appalachian Sustainable Development, and the Upper Tennessee River Roundtable. And so with those folks and the great folks who are out here at Copper Creek, we've been working to really protect these waters for future generations so we can continue to enjoy them. The shorelines right along the waterways is where all of this runoff can come into the system. And what you do is if you plant trees and vegetation, that slows that runoff coming into the system and really provides protection for the creek. So what we're doing is working with those folks who live along the water and who want to help us protect it to put those trees and other vegetation in place for protection purposes. In these rural areas, there's a lot of fertilizer runoff from agricultural development. And so that's primarily, I think, in this area, kind of what we're seeing and what we're slowing down and filtering through the vegetation so that when it gets to the creek, we're protecting the huge amounts of aquatic species and mussels that you actually find in Copper Creek.